Hey everyone, Spencer Williams here, founder of Williams Wealth Creation and founder of Sales University, here today with another video for the Sales University series. Today, we will be going over how to utilize resources such as coaching, information, and money to grow your very own business. Specifically, we'll go over how to use information sources, how to hire coaches and consultants in order for you to develop the infrastructure of your business, how to work with your suppliers, how to develop mentoring relationships, and how to work with collateral professionals. To start with this lesson, it is important that you utilize the skills learned in the lesson on hiring and going into business for self-commissions, as well as what you learn in this lesson here. Now, paying attention to detail, utilizing all your resources in an effective and proper way is of absolute importance to whether your business succeeds or fails. Successful businesses and entrepreneurs use their time in the most effective manner they possibly can, right? They improve their profitability and they streamline their costs. Now, optimizing your use of resources is essential because your employees represent a large yet significantly important cost to your business. With current technological advancements, you want to be sure to automate your planning. Today, time is more critical to your success than ever before. By automating any applicable task with the use of technology and the internet, you can save a lot of time and increase your operational efficiency. Your business needs an automated system that can update itself regularly and also actively, while also being able to configure to your business's needs. Now, doing such can aid you with resource planning and provide you with insights into your business's needs. Real-time visibility enabled by automation can identify skill shortages and training requirements, showing you your resource capability and capacity to deliver on projects. Increased accountability is another thing I would like to touch on here. Keeping track of administrative tasks in your business, such as labor costs and payrolls, all of that can be very time-consuming and very tedious for any entrepreneur. However, these tedious tasks can give you a comprehensive and complete overview of your employees to boost accountability and boost your business's bottom line. You should consider locating a software that includes accounting features and aids with a great deal of payroll procedures, right? This will help make all of the aforementioned tedious administrative tasks much more efficient. To reduce admin costs, you can utilize resource management systems, which will help you reduce errors and the cumbersome nature of upkeep. Now, this reduction in admin cost, it doesn't only improve your revenue, it doesn't only maximize earning potential, it also increases your customer relationship, but it significantly reduces the large admin costs associated with any of the outdated systems that you're currently using. Another important point to touch on is what to do in a resource conflict, right? Resource conflicts take a serious toll on revenue, and when they're at their worst, they can cause many missed revenue opportunities and can reduce your customer satisfaction. Now, the visibility created by the aforementioned points works as a preventative measure and an additional layer of security from resource conflicts, as you will be able to detect them before they happen in your business. By storing the necessary details of your resources, you can plan ahead to prevent resource conflicts from arising. Having a comprehensive overview of individual team members allows you to analyze the efficiency and optimization of your resources on a daily, weekly, quarterly, or even annual basis. Now, analysis of this data can be used to identify where work hours can be reduced, which in turn reduces operational costs and increases profit margins. At Sales University, we hope this lesson has taught you guys the importance of automation in growing your business and utilizing your resources to grow that same business. Be sure to check out the next video next week, as well as our Sales Mastery Program online at williamswealthcreation.com. If you want to join our Sales Mastery Program, or you own a corporation that wants to systemize a sales team and then train that sales team to execute, reach out to me. I have the #1 sales program in Canada. It's worked for me and has proven to work for many of my clients, and it will work for you too. I'll catch you guys in the next video.